Morning, sir. The 2013 Bold earthquake was a devastating event and many people have shared their personal experience of the tremors and the aftershock during the earthquake. The ground began to shake violently, causing buildings to sway and debris to fall. People were understandable scared and panicked with some fearing an end of the world. Many individuals and families evacuated their homes seeking safety in open spaces. The earthquake caused widespread damage, including damages to buildings and homes, which resulted in displacement and loss of life. People describe the earthquake as a sudden and violent shaking, with some feeling dizzy or disoriented. Many people were frightened and panic seeking to escape the shaking and potential danger.